Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to transfer money from PayPal to your card in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned PayPal user or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need a few basics in place. Make sure you have a verified PayPal account and a debit or credit card linked to it. This ensures everything runs smoothly and securely. Oh, and keep in mind that as of 2025, PayPal might have some updated features, but the core steps remain user-friendly. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. If you're on the app, just open it up and enter your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Balance section. It's usually right on the homepage. Next, look for the Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds option. This might be under a menu icon, like 3 dots or a gear. Click on that, and you'll see a list of your linked bank accounts or cards. Select the card you want to transfer to. Now, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Double-check this because, in 2025, PayPal has made it easier to see potential fees up front. These fees can vary based on your location and the card type, so keep an eye out to avoid surprises. After that, review the details and hit Confirm or Transfer Now. Once you do that, PayPal will process the request. In most cases, the money hits your card within 1 to 3 business days, but it could be instant for some accounts. Always check your email for confirmation and any updates. A quick tip: if you're transferring larger amounts, verify your account identity if prompted, it's for security. And remember, in 2025, PayPal is emphasizing faster transfers with new tech, so enjoy the efficiency. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to transfer money from PayPal to your card. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.